This video is for all the hardworking moms that want to also take care of their kids and turn up this summer. And if you can't, I'm turning up for you also. Hi everybody, we have arrived. There goes babe. Alright, so
Yeah. We're out here filming in the dark.
alright, so it's my camera is adjustable, darling.
Is it?
Uh-huh.
Hey y'all. I'm tired. I'll fall asleep coming down.
Alright, so Milani. Let me give you guys a room tour. Look at little mommy. Here you go. There is another room. Because we're with the whole gang. In here is super nice. I'm actually going to steal that because I'm going to need something to do my makeup on. Milani. Milani. Oh, baby's in there with her. Here is the next room. This is the master. And here is everybody.
Hey, you can strike that and you have stripes. If you can re-strike it and stripes. You can just take the easy shot.
Hi, honey.
You can just come right here. Come right here and strike it from right here.
You got stuff all over the place already.
You go to the bathroom.
Okay. Let me let you go.
Here, look at the end of the cube.
Oh, we don't have any.
That's you can't.
So stuffed, but
Hey, I'm also trash at this.
hey, try and hit right here.
This one?
Right here. Oh, you gotta raise the car.
Take your time. What you doing? What you doing? Paisley. 9-4. I'm just showing them outside. There's the pool. There's another seating area. Here comes mommy trying to follow me. I'm going back inside, mama. Inside. Hi. So that's my quick little room tour. I'm vlogging and Babe's vlogging for his channel also. So I'm gonna go spend time with these children because I have to get ready soon. We have a party to go to from 9 to about 4 a.m. So until then, I'll see you guys later. So I have a video showing off how I did my makeup and my outfit and all of that. So I'll save that for another video. But your girl came to show out, and that is exactly what I'm doing. So keep on watching. So we got dressed last night. Oh, he's sleeping, so I'm kind of whispering. I got dressed last night only to realize that none of the parties were last night. It's actually tonight, and there's still no water here. So Babe booked us another Airbnb, and we're leaving. So I'm gonna start packing. Like all this stuff. Gotta go. Shitty ass customer service. Worst Airbnb we've ever stayed. Yeah. So I can't say this house wasn't nice, but we didn't have any water in here. There was trash at the pool area when we first came, and there was trash outside. And we can't stay at a house that has no water. I can't say the house is ugly or anything like that, but the people that run this house are liars. They also lied to us twice when we told them we didn't have any water. But I'll save that for a whole nother video. Next door, you see the sign. Obviously, their neighbors do not like that they're using their home for Airbnb. So that's another thing to note about this Airbnb also. Hi people! So we're at a new Airbnb because the last one didn't have any water. Yeah, Miss it there. Yeah, you know, here is outside. I will be taking pictures out there at some point.
Looks nice.
Yes, it does look way better than the other one.
Yeah.
Look at that.
No, Dad, look at this.
Okay, look at the bathroom.
I seen it.
It's a sofa bed.
Okay, that's your room.
Wait.
I hope this one, this room. I cover everything.
Oh, this is the one where.
There's 3 beds in that room.
Wait, what? How? Wait. Yo.
This is gonna be our room, obviously.
This is no. I want this room.
Not this room, Nick. I don't want this room. It's fine. Y'all can have it.
Mommy.
Brother, just go on the one.
I don't want to get in your way of recording.
No, just go, so get out. You see how big Kosi is?
3
Look at this bed.
kids can fit here.
Yes, the kids could chill in here and watch movies. See that? Yeah, show off our sexy body. She knows she looks good going on.
The pictures have confirmed it.
Yeah. She a wind up. Watch out. She gonna get her body done down at Miami. That's why we're here. We're actually acting like closet. Look at the size of this thing. We're here together, but we're actually acting like, you know what I'm saying?
Family vacation.
We do want proper house review later. I mean, this not doing justice. But yeah, she get her body done. This is a full bathroom. Oh.
Let me turn this on. So we're at a new Airbnb, and there's something wrong with this Airbnb. So the internet in here doesn't work. The TV don't work, anything like that. I don't know if it's just Miami or what, but these Airbnbs are ran the hell down, and they're not well maintained properties at all. Like, it's just too much. This trip has started off real rocky. Hopefully it get better, but I'm not confident in that. Anyways, I'll see y'all when I see y'all. We definitely will not be getting any more Airbnbs in Miami, specifically Miami, Fort Lauderdale area because these Airbnb are trash. We went to Jamaica multiple times, multiple years, got Airbnbs. We never had any of these problems. And they like to talk about how Jamaica is a third world country. We never had any of these issues ever. The next time we come to Miami, we're definitely sticking to what we're used to, a hotel.
Nani, where's your towel, mommy? Over here?
You're sitting on it.
I am?
Yeah.
No. Here, babe.
Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome.
I'm gonna go inside and take a shower now.
Okay.
And go eat some chicken with Farah if you want.
Farah is doing schoolwork. You heard me?
Yeah.
Farah is doing schoolwork.
I know. It's all finished. See? Daddy,
Yes, Pop?
the pool is on water, Daddy. The pool is on water. The pool is on water, Daddy.
I'm putting you on video, Pop.
Yeah, you put me on video.
Yeah? I can see Makai on this video.
Yeah, you can see Makai on video. Video for Makai.
A video of Makai.
Daddy, Rory, you did dye the two bees?
Yeah.
You dyed the two bees, brother?
Yes.
Okay, dye the two bees.
What two bees?
The two bees are dyed.
You want to kill like?
Oh, you see me video, Daddy. Let me see it.
I got mommy on video right there. And there goes sister right there.
It goes Malaya over there.
Yeah, Milani's eating. Mommy's feeding Milani.
Mommy.
You want a piece of chicken, Papa?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You gonna eat
If
this
you like,
chicken?
if you go like this,
Go.
close your eyes.
Get it.
Yeah.
Bro, when you look everywhere else, everything's blue. Like all the time you say blue. Ooh, it makes sense here.
Munch it.
It's a triangle.
Oh, there's a
Yes,
Look.
it is, Papa.
there's a bunch of.
This is Memorial Day weekend 2022. This is a message to the wild man them and a side chick time. Go spend some time with wifey and your picnic them. See family. Me a claim her, I don't know if she claim me. I can't tell. Here you know, no? Serious of them now.
Oh, your food bucket.
And the antisocial one inside. Me a sprinkle me seeds.
Dad,
Oi,
is this pool longer than ours?
same size.
So we went to the beach and the beach was packed. We actually went to Hollywood Beach. So instead we took the kids to a indoor park. This is called Flippos in Miami. I absolutely don't recommend unless you're white, Jew, or white Spanish. They literally look at you like you're a freak show when you go in there if you're black. So that's what we did. Excuse the vent, I'm in the bathroom. So I just got out the shower, not the shower. I just got out the pool. Tried to burn Milani out and Kai out so we can get to go out. It's actually 4:36. We're supposed to leave here at 7 and Milani is already out, so kudos to that. But yes, the last night we were supposed to go out, we didn't go in anywhere. We didn't have any internet for one, so we didn't have any way to entertain the kids. And for two, Milani was waking up like every hour on the hour and crying. And I didn't feel comfortable leaving the kids, especially Milani crying. Mom problems. My mom anxiety was kicking in heavy. So we missed one party, which was last night. About to go bathe and start getting ready because my makeup kind of takes long, like 30 to 40 minutes. So yeah.
Even when when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go,
I didn't take the thing either.
Hustle hard, hustle long, single day. I'll be making moves till I'm there.
These niggas both said the same shit, look. No problem, no problem.
I've been doing shit my way, on the highway, and in the driveway. There's a nice way, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity.
All that shit.
Do you think it's the same boat party, or is it a different boat party, babe?
No, babe. It's definitely a different boat party. The dude that actually have the real boat party is Jabba from Hot 97 in New York. Bobby Condas and Jabba, they're on Hot 97 in New York. Jabba DJ the real boat party every year. Jabba wasn't there. That's not the boat party.
No, so.
We end up with some Yankee, and they play some Jamaican music. That's it.
They play some.
And they played it at the end, and they play one in the beginning, and that's it.
But we had fun.
Yeah,
It's a sight to see.
it was more than a sight to see.
I saw a
I
girl.
learned a lot.
I saw. You learned a lot, babe.
Yeah, I learned a lot tonight about humans.
So.
Humans and the shit they're willing to go through.
We saw a girl with a guy in there. I'll insert the clip because I had to take a video of her.
You can use my clip too, because I took a video of them too. I took a video of them when he was actually calling her hoe and bitch.
God no?
Yeah, maybe.
I take one hour as she said.
And you saw when the drool run down? Oh my god. Hey bro, don't do that.
But yeah. Just at the front of the car.
There, dollar?
Yes. Yeah.
$1, $5 something. He obviously a crackhead, but you know what I'm saying. I was gonna shoot, but I won't. Yeah. Alright, bro. Yeah.
But I had to like ask her before she got up and left, like if she was okay.
And she said yes.
And she said yes.
Yeah. That shit was traumatic for me as a male. You know what I'm saying?
Traumatic for me and me a woman.
Man, listen. I grew up in Miami, right? Me not tell you about pimping hoes already. Okay. Miami niggas are cold. Florida niggas are cold. And I feel a way using the word niggas, but you have to understand, like, something come with this, but she was a victim all the way around, and I could spot it from the beginning.
Man,
you know,
she don't know if she's here or there at all. That's so sad.
And you know what's sad? What's sad is that she's looking at every female that passed like, you better not look over here at my man.
Alright, so.
But it's not your man. He don't even treat you like you're somebody. You know? That's the sad part.
You literally treat her like one dog.
You over there looking at other females that's passed, and the female them where I pass name not look pan them, you know. Cause you know, look like nothing for look pan, and you know, watch man, I'm just saying. But she over there so caught up, she's like, don't look at my man. Ain't nobody looking at him.
Alright, so.
You know, and he don't even treat you like human.
He literally did treat
whole
the girl
ass
like,
bitch.
Like dog. I'm like, yo, I would literally eat asphalt. Don't do that. I will eat
asphalt.
I will definitely eat asphalt before me make no man treat me so.
Babe, the man say you whole ass bitch. And she said, Yeah, okay. You okay? Yeah, I'm alright. No, you're not alright. You need help. No, I laugh and cry here at the same time, but
Lord, please don't come at me.
I actually honestly think of that. Looking at her, I'm like, yo,
Me hope
a
me
couple of
dad.
years from now, my daughter, man, listen,
me hope me
I'm
dad.
killing motherfuckers or I'm paying for you to get killed. Because even if she lose her mind and go down that road, if I find out and I confront you, you better flee. Because if you don't flee, I'm going to pay for you to be missing.
Alright, so
Yeah.
that's crazy as hell, okay? I've never seen no shit like that a day
And
in
the
my life.
sad shit is she's not an ugly girl.
Yeah.
And you know, different people have different
Taste and preference.
right.
She's
But by no friggin' means.
yeah, she no
Was she
ugly and she no shape bad and she did not
Yo,
look
the girl
bad
she up
either.
good. The girl she up good and she's not ugly. And she could have done way better than that because he looked like a friggin' seal.
Yeah, over there at Wendy's. We're trying to get some food. This line is moving slow as hell. This is why I like Jamaica, because if I did Jamaica, we're gonna not this line a long time. So I'll see you when I see you.
We're ordering some food right now and go, yeah, dear.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, grow hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some.
So we're supposed to be going to Best of the Best. Unfortunately, it's very much raining. And we can't find no umbrella because we never planned for this rain here at all. If I'm being truthful, the only person who want to go for Best of the Best, we go see it. I want to go see Lolly, Yaksta, and Berries. And then, me not really business about nobody else.
Yeah, business about your $300 worth of ticket then.
I don't.
Honestly,
I don't
there's someone alone that you really want to go see. But
really?
yeah, I don't care about the rest of them.
Really?
Yeah, let's not say I don't care about the rest of them. But yeah.
Let's just say we weren't excited for anybody else.
I'll be a new dancer come out with Lolly and me can dance, so scratch that one there.
Alright, so what about Yaksta?
Yaksta.
You promote Yaksta music heavy on your channel.
Yeah man, cause Yaksta there with some positive stuff. You know? Sitting, what is it? Something over, oh, farming over flossing. Man say when you say girl breed up, child support that little. So anything you want, you go ask him wife feet. I got a road car when say girl breed up, that little child support and these things. His message good. Acres over markets.
But we can't find no park. First of all, I don't know see no parking nowhere. Second of all, it's raining heavy as hell. I don't know.
Yeah, some people out here with no umbrella and no wetsuit or nothing, but watch out.
You know, go on licky man. Licky. We'll have a lawsuit. Me back the hat me.
Instantly.
Instantaneous. I went to drive. I went the person. Then they drive Tesla. It look like, or whatever the hell these cars are.
This song. I'm not really finna park in it, brother.
At all.
If you park your son, walk, go way back down. Let's see what our choices are in a minute.
Traffic alert. Road construction ahead.
Yeah, You know, and you know the rain ease up now, right? But you don't want to go in the park and then the rain start coming down heavy
Harder
again. The rain non-stop fall. It just go light, then heavy, then light,
then heavy again.
You don't want to get kitchen heads thinking it's gonna stop. If we just watch a puddle in the road, you know how hard the rain will fall.
Let me see. So yeah, that's what we're supposed to be doing.
So we're supposed to can go all with one concert and these things.
It looks so.
Yeah, sing for me, Mike. She's a singer.
Turn next right.
Alright, so me can't bother.
Remember when me and Bill first meet, I said, the next morning hear me. Well, we go out one night and the next morning hear me about sex with you is so amazing. She was like,
don't bother. Don't bother with it.
Turn left after a quarter of a mile onto I-95 West.
It wasn't too far with that time.
No, I wasn't. I definitely wasn't. Plus, I didn't want nobody in my business. Anyways, people didn't have enough to say when they barely knew nothing. Really.
I saw.
So.
Yeah. Maybe we can buy an umbrella for them people. Yeah.
I don't know, ask them.
Think somebody will give up their umbrella?
Well, we need 2 umbrellas, $20 each.
So, hey, bro, I give you $20 for your umbrella right now.
I was just telling you the umbrella.
You think so?
Yeah, they would.
I'm always leaning on this horn.
But yeah, if we finally get into this anyways, I will be back on camera. If not, we'll find something else to do at some point.
Yeah.
So yeah, we've literally been making alternate plans since we got...
I want to go for the food too. Yeah, I have soup on my mind, and then some jerk chicken, rice and peas.
We've been making alternate plans this whole weekend. This is our first outing as parents, and needless to say, I've learned a lot. Also, my mom guilt was killing me, so that's another thing that we can talk about.
I told Kosi, I said we haven't been out together since before Kai was
Turn
born.
second left.
You know, Kai's going on 4. You know, when people don't get to go on the road enough. 4 years.
It feels very foreign, actually.
Haven't been out in 4 years. Don't remember how to dress. Don't like. It's a whole chore.
It's a whole chore.
Turn second
Trying to put an
right.
outfit together.
Then make the second right turn.
Alright, so
I think we were overthinking it though, because you come out here and you see everybody, you know, them regulars just to see them. Like, you never left the scene. Nothing really changed.
Turn next right. Then make the second right turn.
But yeah. Yeah, we're driving around trying to find an umbrella.
Babe, at this point we're not trying to find nothing now.
Alright, so
At this point we need to be trying to find something. Start right this one. That was the first one. Right this one. na 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 na.
So good morning. As you guys can see, we ended up going to Best of the Best. We saw Barris, Baby Sham, and Mr. Vegas. Mr. Vegas actually ended the show at 12. So we had an amazing time. Amazing. Loved it. We were complaining because we couldn't get in to Best of the Best because it was raining so hard, but we thoroughly enjoyed ourselves. Yeah, we just got up. We're about to get packing and leave because we're about to go to Georgia. So I'm going to end this video off by saying like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below. And really, this video is for all the hardworking moms that want to also take care of their kids and turn up this summer. And if you can't, I'm turning up for you also. So like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Deuces.